I think the biggest concern this evening might be some freezing rain with snow and sleet down close to the Ohio border before things move south to north in our neck of the woods. But beautiful sky conditions. Wish it were a little bit warmer, but at least we can go out there and soak up some of this free vitamin D for the next 2-3 hours before the clouds fill in. Middle 20s in all 4 zones. East winds, east-northeast winds for the most part, enough to create these wind chills in the low and middle teens. So that's what we're dressing for as we head oot and a boot. Again, we've got an increase in clouds through the mid-late afternoon ahead of the snowmaker. Could be a little wintry mix again south, but 29 degrees, as good as it gets today. After 6 p.m. south zone, that's when that mainly snow will be moving into our south zone and likely going to see some of the heavier bands of snow across most of Metro Detroit after midnight, and by about 7-8 a.m. tomorrow, wrapping up with the snow, and then mostly cloudy, 28 degrees Friday. All right, here is a montage of 3 different snow computer model runs. This one, the GFS, is the one I showed you earlier, and the morning run on this was more like 2-3 inches, and this now is upgraded a little bit. We'll say 3 to 4 according to the GFS. The European model, basically 8 Mile north, looks more like 4 inches, and south of 8 Mile saying 2 to 3. And then there's maybe the more aggressive model, the IBM GRAF, which is one that we use a lot here at Local 4. This one is maybe a little too aggressive. Why is that? Well, it's a wet, heavy snow that's coming into a cold air mass, which will make it less dense. And those less dense snows tend to stack up and not compact. So I guess the snow totals could be amplified a little bit by that factor. Taking a look again right now, enjoy what we have, because here comes the big change coming our way, which is thunder snow and a little ice freezing rain to our south through Missouri, Illinois. And again, later in the evening, things get pretty nasty and will be worse through the overnight, which means your Friday morning drive is going to be slippery, slow, downright nasty. I mean, even if we only get 2-3 inches, not going to be fun through Friday morning. There's 7 a.m. and the model is pulling everything out of the area, although we're stuck with a bit of cloud cover in 20s tomorrow. A little better sky condition coming your way for the weekend, and that means warmer temperatures. I would expect 2 to 4, maybe more of the 3 to 4 inch range overnight tonight into tomorrow. Saturday, low middle 30s, a little more cloud cover Sunday, but temps are looking pretty good. And you can see, Jason, next week a gradual warming into the 40s by Wednesday.